the food service. They were building the line for the C5 right at that time. This was early 1967. But it was country back then, and the Johnson's Ferry Bridge over the river was wooden, and it was only one lane.
Okay, yeah.
When our parents moved out there, like a mile south of the Johnson's Ferry Bridge over the river. And so the fighter jets and the C5s all came over our house. And then now I used to live like right near here where DeKalb, Gwinnett, and Fulton come together. And see the stuff coming out of here.
Yeah.
And right at Holcomb Bridge and Spalding, there's a